YouTube, it's Sean. And this is going to be the Red Angel air conditioner update. As you can see, and maybe not see, inside the truck it is 90, no, it's 90 degrees approximately on the thermometer. So let's go from there. It's above 80 and lower than 100, right? And that's where we're at. So let's fire it up. See what we have, guys. Dropping pretty fast, guys. I don't know where the best place for y'all are on this camera. It's about, I'd say 80 degrees outside today. Between 78 and 80. So yeah, it's rapidly dropping, guys. We're down to about 60 now. It's been a while. So far I haven't seen a leak. Okay, we're 50 and dropping. We're about 45 now. Got it running at about 2,000 just to get that fan running in the radiator and the evaporator down there. Alright, we're sitting at 40. Yeah, we're sitting at 40, guys. So, and it's still going down. Loving it. So, Red Angel does work. That beats taking this whole dash apart, guys. Wall to wall, you know, from that door over there to this door over here. We'd have to tear that whole dash out just to get down there to what we need, you know. And I just got the AC maxed out. And got it on those settings right there, you can see. It's blowing cold air. And we're sitting at 40 without moving. If I moved, that thing would go down to about 30. I did that earlier today. Goes down to about 35. So yeah, I'd say that's pretty darn good. They say 43 or below is what your AC in your car should be. And I try to get below, but you know, it just depends. You don't want to go over or it starts heating up. If you over pressurize it. But yeah, there you go, guys. There's your update on the Red Angel. Go Jeep. Alright, guys, it does work. Works good. Nice and comfortable in here. Again, about time. Remember, if you watch it, thumbs up. Take care, guys. Hey, this is for you all, YouTube. There you go, guys. Bye-bye.